magandang hapon po sa ating lahat, sa ating pong mga kababayan sa Luzon, sa Visayas, sa Mindanao, mga OFWs po natin na pauwi na, most welcome po kayo at nakahanda ang bansa i-receive kayo. At sa mga OFWs po na all around the world, lalo po na sa Amerika, Italy, UK, pinagdadasal namin kaligtasan nyo at hindi lang kayo, mga kasama nyo sa office, kasama nyo sa bahay, mga pinaglilingkuran natin, no? Ngayong hapon po, as promised yesterday, dalawa topic natin food for the body and food for the soul, no? It's Sunday. Of course, every day should be a day of worship, but as we know, for Christians, naniniwala tayo na the Lord said, maganda yung na-create niya, and on the seventh day we should rest, and we also use it to recharge by worshiping. So we have a very special guest dito po sa bahay. Si Lani, mahilig sa 3-in-1. So first, magmi-meeting po kami dahil kapitbahay po namin sila. Ang church po nila is by car, maybe 5-6 minutes away from here. Second purpose po is pag-uusapan din namin how do we help through communities, di ba? Kasi yung nakita naman natin, yung sinabing 18 million informal economy and 6.6 formal, or pag sinabi mong lahat ng Tagigenyo or yung barangay po nila nung papakilala kong guest natin ay Barangay Bagong Tanyag. Kami po Barangay Bagong Bayan. Dati isang barangay lang yon, no? So, it's so hard to say that tulungan natin yung mga taga-Tanyag, tulungan natin po yung mga taga Bagong Bayan. But it's easier to say yung mga taga Paso Street or yung Couples for Christ group or yung All for Christ Church, no? So, we are also linking up po with non-government organizations, whether they're faith-based, whether they're non-profits, yung mga cooperatives, no? So, the reason I was saying we will talk about food for the body, we want to talk about micro, small, medium enterprises, small businesses, yung mga nasa kanto ng bawat komunidad natin, from yung binibilan natin ng bigas, dun po sa pagupitan, parlor, dun po sa mga kalenderya, dun po sa naglalako ng pagkain, to the more medium or the bigger businesses na yun yung sinasabi kong food for the body, kasi kailangan may kinikita ang tao, no? But I'll go to that either later today or tomorrow, and also announce some of the programs ng gobyerno na pwede nyong pakinabangan. And then on Tuesday may formal hearing tayo. So far po nag-confirm na si Secretary Dominguez ng DOF, si Central Bank Governor Diokno, and then also we're inviting SSS and Land Bank dahil may magaganda silang programa para sa hindi lang po sa may-ari ng business. Ang importante din dito, mga empleyado ng small businesses, no? So before I introduce our guest, si Lani lang will say a quick hi.
Happy Sunday po sa inyong lahat. I hope po kahit na tayo ay nasa ECQ ay patuloy pa rin po yung faith natin at pasasalamat sa Panginoon dahil tayo po ay buhay. God bless po sa inyong lahat.
Okay, so kaya bakit 3-in-1, di ba? So we're going to talk about yung leadership o yung buong community ng mga pastor sa Taguig at yung mga may ecumenical movement, meron din pong ibang religious leaders. Pangalawa, about their community sa Barangay Tanyag at yung mga churchgoers. But third, magwo-worship po tayo together. So those who want to stay on after I ask him a few questions and hear the Word of God. Thank you very much, Pastor. So magwo-worship kami at magpe-pray, and thank you for joining us today. And thank you very much, Pastor, for your message. God bless you po.
God bless.